Welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com, Scooter City ATV outlet. We have two vehicles that are being PDI'd. A 125D from TaoTao, which is a 110cc kids ATV, fully automatic, loaded with safety features, lanyard, remote start and stop, and speed limiter. Got Adam and Kyle, both techs, and they're doing the PDI on this vehicle. They got it on its wheels. Again, it's a process. They've been doing this for a very long time, so it still takes about an hour, just over an hour per vehicle to do it right. Make sure that everything's tightened and assembled properly, and getting the battery charged up as well. This is what you do with the batteries. When the batteries do arrive, you do have to place the acid in the batteries, part of the process here, and then charge them, and then they'll be ready for the vehicle. Again, this is the TaoTao 125D Kids ATV. They are mounting the rear rack right now. Got the wheels on.
I'll go in.
One way or another.
There are mounting bolts underneath the rear, as you can see. Adam is placing them on the mounting rack. We do have a T-Force here, tree camo. This is a little bit larger kids ATV. Same features, loaded with safety. And this will be the next vehicle to be PDI'd, assembled, tuned. PDI is preparation, delivery, and inspection. So we do all the work over here, take care of this, make sure they're ready to roll, ready for a new family.
Wrong way.
This here is the lanyard system, similar to a jet ski. Over here, this is the speed limiter adjuster. So the throttle is a thumb throttle, which you push, and by adjusting this nut, you can adjust the travel of the lever.
I have a 17.
It has front brakes, which are drum brakes, and then the rears, as you can see, they are disc brakes. And the remote system is here on the fob here. So you as a parent would remove this from the ignition key and hold this in your hand. And it's good up to about 200 feet approximately with a fully charged battery. So you can shut it off and restart it up to approximately 200 feet.
It stays up when you tap one bolt.
Okay, so this is going to wrap it up. Stop by and see us, 920 Matney Lane, number 6 in Reno, or you can shop online at ScooterATVSales.com. ScooterATVSales.com. See our full inventory of scooters, ATVs, side-by-sides, and off-road go-karts. 775-856-3398. We'll see you guys soon.